How to fix Valorant. Please restart your game client easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. First, just type here updates, and now just install all the updates that you can find here, and after that just go back, restart your PC, and after restarting your PC open your files, go to this PC, and then you need to find Riot Games file location, Valorant, live, shooter game, binaries, Win64, and here we'll find Valorant. Right click on it, properties. Now just click compatibility, and then you will find it like that. All you need to do, just enable those two options and click apply and OK, and that's it. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.